Welcome to the tutorial for this simple, yet eye-catching circle graphic that will give your slides the sparkle they need. First, insert the circle shape with a hole in the middle. Make sure it has no outline and adjust the size to identical values for height and width. To change the width of the circle band, move the yellow dot that appears when clicking on the shape. Now duplicate the shape and make it slimmer than your first circle. Duplicate the slimmer circle and add it to the left side. Select all shapes, go to Arrange in your upper right toolbar and make sure they are aligned in the middle. Then distribute the circles horizontally. For the arrowheads, add in triangle shapes. Adjust the direction and position on the circle bands to your liking. Again, make sure the shapes have no outline. To ensure a clean look in the final graphic, use the options in the Align drop-down to center your shapes. Once you have placed the triangles on one side, copy-paste and place them on the other side. Use the red guiding lines to place with the same spacing. To flip the direction of the arrows, go into Arrange and Rotate. Then select Flip Horizontal. Adjust the final details on the arrow positions, and then move on to the next step. Select all shapes and go to Shape Format. Click on Merge Shapes and select Fragment in the appearing drop-down. Delete the fillings of all circles, as well as the parts of the circle bands, which come after the arrowheads. Next, complete the arrows by selecting all 4 parts belonging to an arrow, going to Merge Shape and clicking on Union. Repeat 3 more times. Your shape is now complete, and you can move on to the design. Click on an arrow and go to Format Shape. In Shape Options, select Gradient Fill. Under Gradient Stages, you can change the colors, as well as adjust the spacing of the gradient. Select Gradient Fill for all other arrows. If the gradient does not look the same for all the arrows, you can change it in 2 ways. Firstly, you can change the direction of the gradient. This will change if it goes horizontally or vertically. Secondly, you can change the type of gradient from linear to radial. Feel free to play around with these options until you found a gradient design which you like. Now insert a text box. You can write in text style or in bullets. Select a text size, color, and design that suits your needs. Then duplicate 3 times and place a text box next to each arrow. For a clean look of the final graphic, use the options in the Arrange drop-down to align the text boxes at the top, bottom, and on the left and right side. If you would like to secure everything on the slide, you can group all elements. And there you have it, a circle graphic with eye-catching design. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.